Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You already have Chrome installed. Now open it and act. Click the profile icon at the top right and sign in with your Google account so bookmarks, history, and passwords sync. Once signed in, make Chrome your default browser in the prompt or settings. This ensures links open in Chrome automatically. Next, choose a basic theme and homepage so your new window feels familiar. Make sure to enable sync for passwords and extensions. This saves time across devices and prevents duplicate setup. Once signed in, dive into settings to adjust privacy and defaults. Select your search engine, set a safe downloads folder, and turn on Do Not Track if desired. Install a Trusted Password Manager extension and an ad blocker to speed browsing. Make sure to grant only necessary permissions. Create separate profiles for work and personal use to keep cookies and histories separate. Also, enable site isolation and safe browsing in security to reduce risk. These steps improve speed, organization, and protection while you browse. Finish by organizing bookmarks into folders and pinning frequently used tabs. This speeds your daily workflow. Learn keyboard shortcuts like Ctrl+T for a new tab and Ctrl+Shift+T to reopen closed tabs so you work faster. Make a habit of updating Chrome via About Chrome to stay secure. If something breaks, try clearing the cache, disabling extensions one by one, or resetting settings to default. These steps usually resolve conflicts. If problems persist, sign out and sign back in to resync cleanly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.